just download this application, come over here, and then I'll show you exactly how you can get yourself NFTs for absolutely free. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the best 5 free NFT games that you can make $712 plus per week for. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. All that you need to do is simply follow me along step by step till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into app number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
App number 1. So at app number 1, we have lostrelics.io. Guys, lostrelics.io is a game that has recently gained a lot of traction, and this was developed also recently as well. Now, Lost Relics is basically a free-to-play engine action adventure RPG through which you can essentially get yourself NFTs and a lot of cool stuff, also some crypto as well if you wanted to. And also you can do a lot of different things in this game, such as go on bounty quests, learn skills, do some adventures, and also a lot of different things. Now, what is this game about? During the era when the great beasts of old lived upon, the clans of the northern realm grew vast in number and spread out across the land. So the story seems to be very nice, and it is very catchy as well. So this reminds me of the Witcher games. The Witcher games also have a similar story. So definitely the similarities are there, and you can definitely enjoy this game if you wanted to. Now, what about the relics? The more relics you collect, the more NFTs you get. So basically these relics are the NFTs that you will get, and as we all know, an NFT is a non-fungible token, and a non-fungible token means that it is unique to you. So if you have this particular relic, well, nobody has that same relic anywhere else. If they do, well, then the serial number is not going to be the same. Obviously you're just going to be the unique one, and that is where NFTs get their values from. So over here you can basically see some more things that you can do. So all in all, definitely a very nice game for you guys to actually get familiar with Lost Relics. And guys, over here up top you can even see they provide memberships as well, also a leaderboard, players, record books, roadmaps as well. So all that good stuff. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on players, and then after that you will basically see all the different profiles of different players. And then you also have basically all of this stuff, the membership stuff. So I'm gonna open up the membership stuff, and now you can basically see all the different memberships they offer. So they basically give you level up rewards, character titles, 10% XP boost for monsters, golden chat access, and all that good stuff in their membership plan. Without this particular plan, you won't be able to get all of these features, and you won't be able to actually enjoy your particular journey on this particular application. So guys, to download it, simply click on the top left where it says download, and then simply download this onto your computer, and you will be good to go. So guys, this was app number 1. Now we're gonna move on to app number 2. So at app number 2, we have 9chronicles.com. Now guys, 9chronicles.com is another amazing application through which you can actually get yourself a lot of NFTs and also a lot of money as well in the form of points, and then you can simply cash out via PayPal or via Bitcoin if you wanted to. Now scrolling down, you can basically see that 9 Chronicles is a fully decentralized RPG powered by the players, and you can play, mine, govern together, and this world is yours to keep. And guys, that is why this is so nice. Now from over here you can basically see all the different stuff that you can do. You have dungeons, crafting, trading, strategy, and also so many more stuff like the arena, and also countless other features that they have not mentioned over here. Now firstly, you basically overcome challenges, compete with other players, optimize gears, find new ways to play, and also enable a fully decentralized world by converting computing resources with gold. Then you also have merchants, basically balance supply and demand for exotic items and materials, and also politicians as well. So all in all, this is absolutely fun to do, and you won't be running out of things to do in this game anytime soon. They also have a Discord which you can join as well. So definitely do that, and that will really make a big difference. So guys, this was app number 2. Now we're gonna move on to app number 3. So at app number 3, we have splinterlands.com. So guys, splinterlands.com is another amazing game that you can use to basically get yourself collectible cards. So they basically give you collectible cards in return for playing their card game. So you can simply play this game. you can trade different stuff and you can earn whenever you win. Now guys, these rewards are going to be NFTs. They are not going to be like actual money. So like you will get NFTs, but like over the span of like a couple of months or a couple of years, these are going to be really really valuable, and that is when you will make the real money. So they also have a physical game as well. Like if you wanted to do that, you can simply order that as well. But like their Splinterlands, well, this is basically available for every single person, and you can actually get it without any issue whatsoever, and you can get started playing this game quickly without any complications whatsoever. So like over here they have some of the features that this particular game has, and also this is powered by the blockchain technology. So like honestly, everything is going to stay safe, everything is going to be fast, and all in all, this is going to be a great experience for you guys. They have given over $287,000 to their members since the day they started, so like that is a pretty good start to now. Now if you've got crypto, you can actually trade that crypto to actually get yourself cool stuff in this particular game as well. So like that is great. And also we even have some more big games that are present in their particular platform. So like definitely you won't be running out of games anytime soon, and you can play as much as you want. So guys, this was app number 3. Now we're gonna move on to app number 4. App number 4. So at app number 4, we have the sixdragons.com. So guys, the sixdragons.com is another amazing application which you can simply play, and you can like literally fight dragons and make money from that. So guys, like the Six Dragons is a feature-rich fantasy open-world RPG inspired by some of the most iconic titles of the past 2 decades. The game features a 256 kilometers long vibrant world with limitless adventures, epic fights, and the freedom to do anything you want. Players can explore endless lands, farm for valuable materials, craft more than 300 unique items, and trade items with other players and improve their arsenal using powerful enchants. So guys, definitely a very nice application to like spend your time on and actually enjoy and make money in the process as well. They have big brands like Unity, Chainlink, Engine, and like all these big names on board with them. And they also have a Discord which you can use to like actually become a part of their community, which I think is very very essential whenever you are working with a website like this. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So guys, this is basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.